It's not just any carbon fiber kit on this Toyota GR Supra. It's the ADRO carbon fiber kit. And that means high quality carbon fiber and improved aerodynamics. ADRO, that stands for Aerodynamic Development Race Optimization. And that means that when they design a carbon fiber kit for a car, that they will always keep the aerodynamics in mind. They also have a F1 aerodynamicist at work. So it's not only looking beautiful, it also adds performance. And that's something we really like. And some people don't know ADRO yet. And I can imagine why, because it's a South Korean based company and they started with the Asian market. And now they also entered the US market and the European market. So last year you've probably already seen the new BMW G8X, so the M3 M4, with the new ADRO front bumper. So they made something really special, and again they added performance to the car. And now also for the Toyota GR Supra. And this car has got the diffuser, side skirts and front lip, but there's one thing missing, and you do see a spoiler, but this is not the ADRO one, because there's a swan neck ADRO spoiler. Again, completely made out of carbon fiber. It's got the teardrop shape, and that's of course for the aerodynamics. It goes on the car like this. It really stands out. Doesn't only look beautiful, also adds 250 pounds of downforce. And it's quite a lot, especially for an aftermarket part. Not only that is looking beautiful, but these swan neck mounts, oh man, they just look amazing, really amazing. They've also got a higher version of the swan neck mount if you really want to go all out. So that's something really cool. And at this moment, the weather outside is beautiful, so it's a shame to keep the car inside. I'll take it outside and talk you through the rest of the parts. Isn't it beautiful? Oh man, I really love the color on this GR Supra. And not only the color, of course, but also the engine, what's heading inside. It's the B58. It's so good for tuning, and the owner of this car has got this car tuned as well. Now 5,500 horsepower. That's already quite a lot of power for a car like this. But it's capable of far more, because this engine they use for drag racing with 1200 plus horsepower and keep on going. So that's crazy. But to complement this car, you need a good carbon fiber kit, and that's where ADRO comes in. And the front lip, it's got a recognizable design, which you can see in other ADRO front lips as well. This is wet carbon fiber, so it's cost effectively better than the more expensive carbon fiber, because it can happen that you hit a bump or whatsoever and you don't want to replace a part that's really expensive. So they thought through about what material to use, and they used the same way of carbon fiber for the side skirts. And as well, you see the side skirts coming up to deflect the air all the way to the back, and it's, I almost haven't got any words for this. And then the main part for this kit, I think this is the main part, because it's huge. It's got the big fins also to align the air in the rear, and they say that they clean up the air. Also a big advantage for the aerodynamics. And not only again for the aerodynamics, because it's just a big piece of carbon fiber, and if you love sports cars, you also love carbon fiber because it's the material to use. And then is it the third? No, it's the fourth brake light. I love it, especially because of the sporty look it gives. Man, I'm really blown away. What do you think? Do you like it? I've heard a rumor, and that's a wide body ADRO kit for the GR Supra. Don't know if it's true, but it would be really awesome. And if you'd like to learn more about ADRO, contact us at GP Products.